People versus Sam White. This is case number P1289823, one count leasing of accident property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Attorney Russ Donaldson, P number 53660, on behalf of Sam White. Your Honor, we would agree to proceed with today's hearing by Zoom technology and waive a right to an in-person hearing. I do recognize my client online as well. He's identified as Sam White on the video.
All right. And Mr. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sure. Sam White.
This is the date and time set for a pretrial, I believe, in this matter. How are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, the city attorney has suggested that we might be able to get a resolved resolution. However, my client would have to take a driving course prior to him considering that. Based upon that, Your Honor, I would ask for an adjournment of the pretrial matter to allow me to do that and to further engage in negotiations with the city attorney.
All right. With that being said, the court is going to grant that. You can imagine that this last end of the year is a little much for me. So my pretrial date is on February 3rd.
February 3rd. Thank you, Your Honor. And that'll be at 8:30 by 8:30 by Zoom.
8:30 a.m. by Zoom. I'll set its bond at $0 personal. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sam, I'll give you a call.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Wilson, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. I'm going to try and get you out of here, but you got to be a little patient, okay?
No rush. You take your time.
Thank you. Sorry, Mr. Buffman, I thought I was going to be ready. I'm not ready. You can go in there and talk. Mr. White, you can sign off. Ms. Warwick, you already talked to the attorney?
Yes, I spoke with the attorney.
Okay, all right. We'll put you in the waiting room. All right. Attorney, you know you got a little bit more time before I call the case. You need to do some other matters, Attorney Gabe Robinson?
Can I go in the breakout room with Ms. Wazak first?
You can. Let me put you in there with her.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. Did you talk to Attorney Baldwin, Mr. Williams?
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, okay?
okay.
I'm Mordecai. Mordecai, he's one of my reviews. Oh, what was he supposed to do? He take the handgun, that's the question I'm gonna ask. Mr. Williams, did you take that handgun class like you were supposed to?
Yes, and I sent the certificate in a couple of weeks ago.
Okay. Who'd you send it to? Do you remember?
The email, I talked to your clerk, I talked to your secretary, and she gave me an email number and I sent it in to her.
Okay, fantastic, Mr. Williams. Hold tight, okay?
Okay,
In that waiting room, thank you. We saw
Okay.
you paid the fine, so I just need to find out about the class. You're good, hold on. Mr. Williams, I might need you to forward it one more time to me. Can I give you my email address?
okay, hold on one second.
Okay.
Okay,
MARLENA
MALENA
E,
E,
yep, dot
uh-huh,
TAYLOR
C, uh-huh,
and that's at 36 TH District
uh-huh,
www.ccc.org.
Okay, yeah, 'cause I sent it a couple of weeks ago.
I know, we can't find it, so just resend it to me, okay?
I won't have to, well, I ain't gonna have to reschedule another date, am I?
No, send it right now. Can you do it right now?
Well, only way I can send it on it's on my phone. I mean, I don't know, would I have to lead a meeting or what?
Yep, leave the meeting sign right back on and I'll take care of you immediately.
Okay, I'll send it right now.
Okay, leave it, send it to me, and then hop back on, and I'll take care of you right away, no worries.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
all right. Mr. White, did you talk to the attorney already?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm put you in the waiting room. Oh, Antonio. Ms. Williams, you spoke to the attorney already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll put you into the waiting room. I'll be with you in a moment.
Okay, thank you.
That's everyone. Yes.
Your Honor,
Yes,
is there an offer on Ms. Walzak's matter?
there is an offer on it that she can plead to operating while intoxicated. I think her BAC was 0.24. She's scheduled for a
Okay.
trial today.
And then I do know that. Is the officer here yet?
No,
Okay, we'll continue to wait. I've gone over everything with her with regards to possible penalties.
okay,
Thank you.
fantastic. You're welcome. Mr. Wilder, you spoke with the attorney already?
Yes.
Okay, I'll put you in the waiting room. Hold tight. Mr. White, how can I help you? Now, Ms. White? Mr. White, Mr. White, Mr. White. Did you hear how many people I had signed in? I received the copy, Mr. Williams. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room just for a minute, okay?
Okay, okay.
Sorry about the delay, Your Honor.
You are here for, oh, this is a state matter. So, this, the court's gonna have to keep the state prosecutor on this case, because the state truth for this case. Go back to the courtroom and tell them that you have a state matter, and they can get in contact with the state prosecutor. Okay, and if you don't want to wait,
All right, he's in there talking to folks right now.
yeah,
They have more tickets, yeah.
And they have more tickets. You gotta come down here and get the files, Mr. Rosenthal.
I'll come down. I'll come down now, Your Honor.
Okay.
no problem. Hassan,
Oh, man. Okay, let's see.
Attorney Baldwin, we're gonna do some of these folks, okay?
Okay, I'm ready, Your Honor. I've actually completed the first, I think it was the 11 rooms.
I know. I'm gonna do one right in front of you and then. Mr. Webb? You gotta unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Webb. This is ticket number P.
Yes, Your Honor.
1263135, count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record, please.
John Myers Webb.
Thank you. The matter's here for review, Your Honor. Mr. Webb has completed community service. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, go ahead, Attorney Baldwin, I'm sorry.
He did everything he was supposed to do and more. Judge.
Yes, he actually completed, he was ordered to do 20 hours of community service. He completed 45 hours of community service. Thank you, Mr. Webb. Now, Mr. Webb, let me share this with you. You have a number of cases that are in disposition, that were already in disposition. That didn't take care of any of those cases. That only took care of your current cases, okay?
Okay.
All right, but I'm gonna close this matter
Yes, Your
out
Honor.
for completion, okay?
Thank you, Your
Okay,
Honor.
thank you, Your Honor.
You are very welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you very much. You too, sir.
Have a great day.
You too.
Gates Robinson. Attorney Gaten Robinson.
I think
All right, she may be in court. When she finishes, I'll bring her back out. Mo Williams has completed everything. Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna call your matter.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of people versus Mordarius Williams. This is ticket number P1230008. One count of disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Maurice Williams.
Thank you, Judge. Defendant has completed successfully the terms and requirements. So we're asking that you close the case, please.
And the court is aware of his completion. He paid the fine and he sent me the certificate of completion of the class. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to close this matter out. Thank you, Mr. Williams. You have a good day.
Okay. Bye.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Taylor Wilson.
Yes, ma'am.
With Christopher. Christopher Bishop. This is Christopher Bishop. Okay, Mr. Bishop, if you can accept the invitation, your attorney will talk to you.
Sorry, Ms. Wilson. I'm gonna just keep you here. Keep yourself on mute. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, Ms. Wilson, unmute yourself. Now calling the matter of the people versus Taylor Wilson. This is ticket number ST13634241. Also, that's one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling SP136333592. One count, no receipt of registration. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Taylor Wilson.
Thank you.
Ms. Wilson, you may not have spoken with Attorney Bachman. She came in on Friday. She was just going to present the court with some documentation on today. She did send over a copy of her insurance as well as a receipt of her registration. So do you have a motion at this time, counsel?
I would stipulate to dismiss the instant case for compliance and give a stipulation for probable cause as to the stop, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for presenting valid documentation. Also, Ms. Wilson did attend a basic driver's improvement course. Good job, Ms. Wilson. Make sure you always keep your documents, everything valid and up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, man.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I don't know if you tried to call me. I was on the
I did.
record.
I figured as much, so I told her we would just pass over for a moment, okay? All right.
Okay.
Now calling the Aaron, Ms. Wazak, you can unmute yourself. Now calling the matter of the people versus Aaron Walzak. This is ticket Z808638. This is one count operating with a high BAC. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Is she freeze? Attorney Robinson, Gaten Robinson? Hold on a minute.
Okay.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, 7173, on behalf of Ms. Walzak. Ms. Walzak, please state your name for the record.
Aaron Walzak.
Madam Court Reporter, did you get all her numbers? You're breaking up a little bit, Attorney.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, P71733.
All right. And Ms. Wazak, you already stated your name. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. How are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, have the officers appeared as of yet?
Not as of yet.
Today is the date and time set for trial. It was set for 9 a.m. as it is 10 a.m. and officers have not appeared, receiving a dismissal.
The time is now 10:07 a.m. No officers having appeared for this matter. The court is going to grant your request and dismiss this without prejudice. Ms. Wazak, I don't like drunk driving. This is being dismissed without prejudice. They can refile it if they want to, but as of today, you're all set. Don't make this ever something that you do
I won't.
again. All right, there's nothing.
Your Honor,
further.
I did explain.
You said what?
Just for the record, I did explain to Ms. Walzak that a dismissal without prejudice does mean that the people have the opportunity to recharge this matter. I also explained to her that because it is a high drunk driving, high BAC specifically, there's a high probability that she will be recharged. So she is well aware, Your Honor.
Fantastic. All right, ma'am. As long as you're aware of that, no more of this behavior, please, ever again, okay?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Both of you have a great day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Devontae Walker?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devontae Jamil Walker. This is ticket P 1343803, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling tickets number P 1343802, one count very course without signal observation. Also count 2 tinted windows front passenger. Also calling case number SP 1288031, one count improperly displayed dirty obscure plates. SP 12879-602, equipment violation, defective brakes. Ticket number SP 12879-603, equipment violation or improper use of equipment. And ticket number SP 12879-601, one count disregard signal red or amber. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. Please state your name for the record.
Devontae Walker.
Mr. Walker is interested in a plea agreement. I did discuss with him the ramifications of a plea. I did at that time indicate that he would be pleading to improper equipment. Would the court be able to restate the offer?
Well, that's what it looks like. It didn't include all the cases in here in the file.
Right.
Let me see which one it include. I know, I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
Okay.
We have a different prosecutor today. So I have one count of blockading on count one, and the court would dismiss the remaining counts, I guess.
That's a good deal, Mr. Walker. You're gonna plead guilty to the no point offensive blockading, okay?
Okay.
We're ready to move forward, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Reading from the plea form to establish a factual basis that on the date of April the 20th of 2022, in the area of Mack and John R. in the city of Detroit, Mr. Walker was driving a Chrysler vehicle and did vary the course without observation, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, thank you.
And is there, I think the rest of the counts are just all right. They are civil infractions, so the court's going to dismiss them without prejudice, with the exception of the no insurance. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter one count of blockading. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, I gave you a huge break today.
I appreciate
The
it.
remaining counts, they were in default already, and I'm taking them out of default and letting you not have to pay all those costs and fines.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Your fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna have to do no later than 12/5/2022.
Okay.
Okay? All right,
Okay.
sir. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
All right. How do I pay it? Do I have to just call the court back?
You can go online at 36districtcourt.org. You can physically come down to Third Circuit and pay it that way as well, okay?
Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, of course, no problem. You can. All right.
I'm thinking it's
DeAndre Wilder?
when I hooked up.
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
you gotta get to someplace quiet, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Every morning I
Stop
come
calling the
outside.
manager.
Morning, if I don't come outside, start the car up.
You gotta get
Said
someplace
what?
quiet. That is not it. All right, you outside now?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus DeAndre Wilder. This is ticket P 1254118. Count 2, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket P 1254119. Count 1, no proof of insurance. Count 2, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. Count 3, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Ticket number SP 1251750. One count drive unregistered untitled vehicle. SP 1251750. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1251753, improper plate. Ticket SP 1251761, failed to display a valid operator's license. SP 1251762, defective brake light, and SP 1251763, failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney Bosman. Mr. Waddle, you may need to put your phone on mute until we call your name. You got a lot of wind in the back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Harry Boffin for the defendant. State your name.
Mr. Wilder, you're gonna have to unmute yourself and say your name.
Yes, ma'am. DeAndre Wilder.
All right, proceeding today, Attorney Barker? Put yourself back on mute.
We are waiving a formal reading of the information. Standing mute. Ask that the matter be set for a waiver trial by way of Zoom, please.
All right. Is that right, Mr. Wilder?
Yes, ma'am.
So please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wilder, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set this for the day of February 14th. February 14th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see you then, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sean Towns, you have your hand raised. How can I help you, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Your Honor, I'm trying to get in courtroom 437, and I've been trying for the past hour or so. I can't get in that courtroom.
Does it say waiting to enter? Is that what it says?
It says the host locked me out. I've been locked out somehow. I never had this problem before.
I can give you the phone number to the courtroom. I'm sorry.
Please.
We don't just interchange. We got last names,
Appreciate it.
okay?
965-24.
Thank you.
965-2405.
965 240.
2405, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. White?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, fantastic. Give me 1 second. All right, Mr. White, let me call your matter.
Yes.
Now call in the matter of People versus Antonio White. This is ticket P 13-11146. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Antonio White.
Thank you. Mr. White is continuing not guilty plea here, Judge. He's on show cause. So for arraignment purposes, we're not guilty and we're asking for a waiver trial by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Sir, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Bachman in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, we're going to set it for the date of February 14th. February 14th, 2023, 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. It will be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay?
Okay, can I have the time again?
Yep, 9 a.m.
9.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you then, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, may I have a brief 5 minutes?
Okay.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Mr. Young, just hold tight in my courtroom. I forgot you were from Friday. You just had some documents. I have your documents. Hold tight, okay?
Okay.
Everyone on my screen, just please hold tight. We're waiting for the attorney to rejoin us, okay? So just hold tight.
Honey, I think I got no sound. Hello? I think I got no sound.
What did you need, Mr. Mo?
Somehow I was in room 23 and somehow I got disconnected.
Okay, did you answer your phone when it rang?
My phone when it run.
Yes. Were you
I
on
didn't.
Zoom?
I didn't.
Your phone rang, your home, the phone you on, did it ring and you answered it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, sometimes it just kicks you off because your reception isn't good. That's usually the reason that it will kick you off, okay? Mr.
Okay.
Bolton is answer the telephone. I'm going to put you into room number, let me put you in one of these closer rooms, since we clear some out. I'll put you in room number 3, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. What's your name? Do you have a case? You said 22238. Mr. Wells, what's your phone number? Okay. You're welcome. Tell her. Do you have cake number? No, I have. He said no, but she butted me in because I guess she had to go through it. No, I have. Yeah, you got everything. Ah! Oh, you go too far, me, I said. ready, Attorney Baldwin?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you.
No problem. Jordan Young,
I'm here, Your Honor.
now calling the matters of the people versus Jordan Young. These are tickets number SP 1364859, count one, expired plates. Also calling SP 1364859, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, count three, equipment violation, improper or unauthorized use. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Jordan Young.
Judge, the defendant's going to waive rights here and plead according to the recommendation.
He actually sent in some documents. So he was
Oh,
on the
okay.
document Friday. He sent in auto insurance for the vehicle. On the record today from Cure Auto Insurance. He also sent in, now showing that his plates don't expire until June 12th of 2023. Mr. Young, what about this equipment violation? That's tinted windows. What did you do to that? Is it tinted windows or what happened?
I wasn't able to get that taken care of because I just didn't have time to go do it. But as far as the tinted windows, I honestly don't know why he gave me that, because it's not like my tent is super dark. You still can see me and my silhouette through the tent.
Mr. Young, that's not the rule. Would you like to plead to that count, or would you like to have a formal hearing on that count?
I'll plead to that count.
All right. Reading from the record to establish a factual basis that on the date of June 17, 2022, in the area of Plymouth and Brennan Pool in the city of Detroit, Mr. Young was driving a BMW and did have an equipment violation. Satisfied, Attorney Baldwin?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed for valid documentation.
So stipulated. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea, one plea of improper or equipment violation. The remaining two counts will be dismissed. Sir, that fine is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that enough time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. We're going to have it due no later than December 5th, 2022. Mr. Young, I would advise you to go to the whoever it is and make sure those tents aren't too dark, because what you don't want to happen is that you keep getting a ticket for it. Because even though you may feel like it's not too dark, you want to make sure it's truly not too dark, okay?
Okay.
Because I don't want you to keep getting a ticket for the same thing. And I don't know all the rules because my window's not tinted. So, but just make sure you know what the rules are so that you can make sure you have documentation of it, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Young. Thank you for your patience today.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
All right. You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Taryn Williams.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, now calling the matter of people versus Taryn Williams. This is ticket number P 1363926. Count one, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Teron Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams, and good morning. The defendant is going to waive rights to any further hearings and resolve these matters by way of a guilty plea. There's a recommendation. There are some matters being dismissed here, and I'm stipulating the probable cause as to those.
I don't have this recommendation, so do you know what it is?
It's plea to the no insurance reduced to improper plates.
It's a civil infraction though. So how am I doing that?
Can we do the seatbelt?
Yep.
So I would stipulate to the face of the ticket for the purposes of the plea to the seatbelt, Your Honor.
All right. This time reading from the ticket on the date of June 17th, 2022, in the area of Greenfield and Capitol in the city of Detroit. Ms. Williams was driving a Chevy vehicle and did fail to use her seatbelt effectively. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to fail to use seatbelt assembly system. Ms. Williams, you can unmute yourself.
I'm here.
The fine for that is $65. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes,
All right, I have to do no later than December the 5th, 2022, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Torado Wolf? Mr. Wolf, press *6 on your phone.
Could you hear me?
Yes, I can. Now calling the matter of people versus Tedara
Yes.
Wolf. This is ticket U 603-04721. This is one count of disorderly conduct, I believe it is. This is the date and time set for a review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. Your name, please.
Daryl Wolf.
Mr. Bachman, you don't know this, so I'm going to share with you. He pled responsible to this November 16th of 2021. The fine was $200, and here we are a year later. He has still not paid this fine. What is your suggestion, Attorney Bachman?
Mr. Wolf?
Yes.
If you're having a financial difficulty, would you prefer a community service sentence?
Yes.
Okay, now you're gonna have to complete the community service because quite frankly, we're gonna have to in this, you know, if you're not able to do the community service by the next review date, I don't know what the next alternative is. Nobody wants to put you in jail for this, but you got to do the community service. Do you promise?
Yes, I promise.
Okay. Please and thank you, Your Honor. Can we do community service?
All right, 40 hours of community service. I'm going to give you until February 21st, 2023. Let me give you the phone number to call, Mr. Wolf.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay. Okay. Could you hold on for a minute? Can I get a pen?
I can. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay. Hello? Hello?
Hello, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
313
313. Uh-huh.
965.
Uh-huh.
And then the last numbers are 3414.
3414.
Yep, tell them
Okay.
you need to talk to Miss Green about community service, okay?
Okay, Miss Brenda.
Miss Green, like the color green, money,
Oh, green. Oh, okay.
okay? All
Okay,
right.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back February with all that community service completed February 21st, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a
24.
good day, sir.
Okay.
You said what?
Thank you.
Beverly Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Beverly Williams. This is ticket P 1236863. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. I mean, ma'am, forgive me. State your name for the record.
Beverly Wimes.
Thank you, Judge. We're asking for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom for today's hearing. We ask that the court accept a not guilty plea.
Court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty. Ms. Wynn, your
Yes, ma'am.
original bench trial date was October the 11th, 2022. If you fail to appear for this trial date, I'm going to set in what's called a bond, meaning that in order for you to get another trial date or any other hearing, you'll have to pay money. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna set this for the date of February 14th, 2023. I'm gonna make it at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal now. If you miss that trial date, I'm going to put in a bond, okay?
Okay,
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
all right, thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Warwick,
Yes, I'm so sorry.
you're okay. No, I can tell you're at work. You're fine. No
Yes,
worries, okay? All right.
Yes,
Now calling the matter of the people versus Imani Warwick. This is ticket number
Iman.
P13. Is Iman
yes,
Warwick. This is ticket number P1343155. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plate. Count 3, no rear view mirror or defective mirror. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Iman Warwick.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant presents today with valid and compliant documents. I've sent those to Mr. Gillis. She's going to plead guilty to, so we're asking that those cases be dismissed for the registration and insurance. We're asking also that the court accept the plea to the seatbelt.
It's a rear view mirror. Did you get that mirror fixed?
Oh, I'm
Ms.
sorry.
Warwick?
No,
You
I
did
did not
not.
get the mirror fixed.
All right, so understanding what counsel wants you to do is to plead, you have valid documentation, him being an officer of the court, seeing those documents. I'm gonna dismiss counts 1 and 2, but since you didn't fix that count 3, I'm gonna have to have you plead to that. You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
All right, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of April 20th of 2022 in the area of Joy Road and Prevost. Ms. Warwick was driving a Mitsubishi vehicle and had no rear view or a defective mirror. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of responsible to count 3. Count 1 and 2 will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for that is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yes, that will.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than December 5th, 2022, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, ma'am. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you, you as well.
You're very welcome.
Judge, I need another 5, please.
Okay,
I sent you a chat.
okay.
Okay, I'm back, Your Honor.
All right. Jalen Weems.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please? Now calling the matter of People versus Jalen Weems. This is ticket P 134043. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, accident. Stop, street, or intersection failed to stop. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse me?
Can you state your name, please, sir?
Jalen Wimes.
Good morning, Mr. Wimes. Your Honor, the defendant is here for the purpose of show cause. We're asking that the matter, that the court accept a not guilty plea here and set the matter for a pretrial, please, and thank you.
The court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'll set this for a pretrial on the date of February 3rd, sir. February 3rd at 8:30 a.m. That should give you plenty of time to get the stuff together, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
February 3rd, 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right, Attorney Baughman, we have people in courtroom 1, 3, 5, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 24, okay?
1, 3, 5, 9,
Yep,
13, 14, 15.
9, 13, 14, 15, 16, then again 19 through 22, and then 24.
Piece of cake. I'll be right back.
Okay. right, Mr. White. Oh, Mr. White?
Yes.
Okay, have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room, okay, until the judge is ready.
Okay. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning.
Good morning. Have you
Hi.
spoken with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am. And he said to let you know that we were ready to proceed.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Okay, and just, I'm not sure if you know, but Mr. Timothy Clark, the investigator, should be also involved.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
White,
Yes,
have you spoken with the attorney?
yes. He told me to come back and tell you guys that I had spoke to him.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room till the judge is ready, okay?
Okay.
I think you have all those files. I think you have all these files. Yeah, so I never. Mr. Moulton, did you talk to the attorney already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until he comes out so I can handle the matter, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Winchester,
Yes, ma'am.
have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, place you into a waiting room, okay, until the judge is ready.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. iPhone. Your device states iPhone.
We're traumatized.
We are.
We are
Step off the
fully
queue.
integrated. Thank you.
What you say?
I'm traumatized.
So I said, let me stop by since I'm doing my other courtroom.
Listen, people will try.
Ms. Wiley,
Yes,
have you spoken with the attorney?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna place you to a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
okay.
All right. I love your spirit, you know that.
People sitting in the art room asking about this. I say, listen, you just gotta be patient. I don't know what's going on up there today. It's a whole disaster. I apologize in advance. I don't know what's happening.
iPhone, what's your name?
Thomas Warren.
Oh, Thomas Ward, okay. Have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm gonna place you into the waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Yes.
She go fast. You alone. Wow, that's a lot. It ain't that much when we in person. It's not that bad when we in person, but. Ms. Hayden, what was your other name?
Sierra Urel.
Okay. Ms. Cheryl, can you put on a different type of shirt? Okay, well, I just want to check on you.
No, tomorrow our last day of school before break, right? Okay,
I'm in the middle of my bed. I'm doing one of you.
Okay, Ms. Jerome, I'm gonna place you to a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Now you say, how do I get back? I push leave and then go back.
Stay where you are. Stand by.
Okay. Just stay here. Just stay like this.
All right, back.
Yeah, they had called my name, but you wasn't in there.
You said just stay like this? It's gonna go back on its own?
Now, what I'm gonna do, you already talked to him, Attorney Baldwin? I'll put you in the waiting room. So you just have number 5, 9, 15, and 24 to talk to.
Now get out. Don't come in here after that.
Ms. Williams, have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can place you into a waiting room, okay?
Okay.
Happy belated birthday, you.
Well, I'd like to speak with the.
Your Honor, my device is on 2%. I'm gonna come back on right now on my cell phone, okay?
Okay. we got rooms 5, 9, and 15 with people still in them.
Judge, I've spoken to those individuals. I believe they're on a landline or cell phone, so they can't get out without being brought out by the host.
Okay, I'll just start going through folks then.
Okay.
You can put your cell phone on without the camera.
I'm sorry, I just came in late. I'm not sure what you said.
Oh, it's okay.
I just
I'm
heard-
talking to the attorney.
Oh, sorry.
We're ready.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Mario Zerkarian. This is V ticket 5012681, one count operating without a license. Ticket V 5012669, one count failure to get required inspection. And ticket number V 5011492, used auto dealer ordinance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. State your name, sir.
Mario Zacharian.
We also have a present, a good inspector from the city. Would you state your name, sir?
I'm Investigator Timothy Clark.
Thank you, Investigator Clark. Your Honor, the defendant presents today with current and valid documentation. I believe Investigator Clark is able to confirm that, and if so, we would ask the court to dismiss the instant cases for that reason, for compliance.
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Okay, you were able to make sure that he's in compliance now?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, with that being said, the court is going to grant the request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for now having all of the compliance ordinance up to date and valid. Sir, if you do not keep them up to date and valid, you will just get additional tickets. So I advise you to make sure you keep everything valid, up to date with the city office, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. And just for the record, I am only an employee here. I'm not the owner, and the owner was the one behind, but I was the one that went ahead and handled and took care of everything on behalf of them and with no help. So I just want, to put that in note that Nabil Ducko is the actual owner of this business, not Mario Zacharian.
Okay, well, thank you for letting us know. Sometimes by default, because you're there and the only person there, it just happens. But thank you for taking care of all that, and let your owner know that you took care of all this stuff for him, okay?
Yeah, they know, but there's no credit for that. It's just okay. But I was the one with looking at two misdemeanors, you know what I mean, which was not fair.
Sometimes it's a thankless job, sir. I do know that, okay?
You got it. Don't worry. I got my New Year's resolution ready to go.
All right, sir. All right,
All right,
you have
take
a
care.
great
Happy
day,
holidays.
okay?
Yes.
You too.
Happy holidays. All right.
Thank you.
bye-bye.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Investigator Clark, for waiting so long. I appreciate you. Have a good day. Thank you. All right, Carolyn Wiley.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the People versus Carolyn Wiley. This is ticket X2407090. This is one count, open intoxicants in the vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Carolyn Wiley.
Thank you. Judge, the matter set for a trial. The defendant's continuing a not guilty plea and there's no complaining witness. So we're asking you to dismiss without prejudice, please, and thank you.
All right, the time is now 11:56 a.m. No officer having appeared in this matter. The court's going to grant your request. I am going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Wiley, you're all set for now. They could file if they want to, but you are all set for today, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you for your patience. Have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Mr. Winchester?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sit up for me, sir. Just for a
Okay.
minute. All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Raymond Winchester. This is
Yeah.
ticket P1311962. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Raymond Winchester.
Judge, the defendant's gonna ask the court to accept a not guilty plea and set the matter for a pretrial.
Okay. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. My pretrial date is February the 3rd, 2023. That gives you plenty of time, sir. February 3rd, write that down.
Okay.
Via Zoom 2023. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you back what day?
February 3rd.
Very good. All right, I'll see you then, okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Marquita White. Ms. White, I need you to connect to audio. There you go. Ms. White?
Yes.
All right, I need you to turn your camera on.
Oh. It's on. You can't see me?
Quieter place. I can hear you, but I need you to get to a little quieter place, okay?
Okay. Hey. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Hello?
All right. Now calling the matter of the Blake People versus Marquita White. This is ticket P 750608. One count drove while license not valid or improper plate license. I apologize. Ticket P 1310665. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Ms. White, states the name for the record, please.
Marquetta White.
Thank you. Judge, we're gonna ask that the court accept a not guilty plea for arraignment purposes. The defendant missed an inadvertent court date, and we ask that the matter be set for pretrial.
Right. All right, ma'am, I'm gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I'm gonna set this for a pretrial on the date of February 3rd, 2023.
Okay.
That's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you that day, okay?
You say February 3rd?
February 3rd, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Mr. Thomas Warren,
Yes.
turn on your camera for me, please.
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Thomas Warren. This is ticket P 1343017. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P 1343341, expired plate. Ticket SX 318197001, driver's license never acquired. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SX 3830181, one count drove while license suspended, not valid or improper. Ticket number SX 3830185, count 2, limited access, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Ticket number 124738663, one count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. And ticket number 162475381, one count no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yeah, please court, Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Thomas Warren.
Defendant is interested in waiving rights and pleading guilty. I believe it should be to the expired plates and one count of no insurance, reduced to improper plate,
Yeah,
with the balance being dismissed.
State ticket. Let me see how many state tickets he has. All right, he's gonna have to plead to a state ticket too.
Okay.
Speeding one, I can't.
Yeah, why don't we set the matter for a pretrial judge? I'm going to advise the defendant to attend the Better Drivers course. That course is given online, sir, at the website drivers with the Z, BETTERDRIVERZ, betterdrivers.com. It's online, less than $50. You come back to your next court date with a certificate of having completed that. We can get you the best offer possible, okay?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna have you come back on February 3rd, 2023, 8:30 a.m. for a pretrial, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kalina. Kalina, thank you, Williams. Ticket number P1341611. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number P341584. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, registration and/or plate violation. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1144687. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket P1106799. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket number P1106754. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Kalina Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. And good afternoon. Judge, Ms. Williams wants to resolve these matters by pleading guilty.
These are not all her tickets. She has way more tickets.
Okay, so let's
trying to resolve these. So let me give her a new game. Yes, Ms. Williams.
Yeah,
you have a lot of tickets. Let me explain how this works. No, hold on a second, Mr. Bachman, because I know you can't see her face. Okay, so when I was reading all the tickets, whoever she sitting next to her, and they was laughing because she had so many tickets. Girl, this don't even touch half of them, Ms. Williams. You have a ton more tickets. Because let me tell you what happened. when you don't come to court for misdemeanors, it's not like they just go away and they just excuse themselves. They just sit here and wait for you in warrant status until you come back to court. And when you come back to court, Ms. Williams, we are ready for all of your tickets. So you have more tickets than this, a ton more. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a new date, so that way we can do a global resolution. What that means is that you'll end up getting a ton of tickets dismissed, but you may have to plead to 1 or 2 extra tickets in order to get all the rest of your tickets dismissed, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna give you that date of February the 3rd, 2023. That's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on these tickets. And we'll have all of your tickets pulled at that time and make sure that we get them on the same docket so that we can have a global resolution of all your tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you back on February 3rd, 2023, 8:30 a.m. We'll have all your tickets pulled. That way we can make sure we take care of everything at one time, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, Ms. Williams. I'll see you back then.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Mr. Thomas White Jr.,
Yes, I'm here.
okay, turn on your camera for me, please.
Turn on my what?
Turn your camera on for me.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm
sorry,
right
please.
here.
There we go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Thomas White Jr. This is ticket P 1259922. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, failed to stop for a stop sign. Also calling ticket number SP 1375473. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2 on that ticket is Stop Street intersection, failed to stop. Also calling ticket number SP 1379694. Count 1, throw, dump, place, or deposit litter. Count 2 of this ticket is drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Thomas White.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. White and I spoke. He was prepared to enter into a plea, but there are a number of additional matters. And we're asking the court at this point to accept a not guilty plea for Mr. Thomas and give him a waiver trial date by way of Zoom, please.
All right, sir. If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. White, did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah, I talked to him. I thought we was going, I made a guilty plea. I thought we was going to hook something up, but I guess he's saying something else.
So what ended up happening is that you have some additional tickets, right? So you have 6 tickets altogether. I'm sure he only thought you had 2 tickets. You have 6 tickets. So I don't have a resolution for all of that at this point in time, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Mr. White, if you come back on your next court date, they will have a resolution for all of these matters.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So we'll set the bench trial for the date of February 14th, 2023. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters. We'll have a resolution that day, sir. We'll see if the officers come. If the officers come, we'll be able to take care of it, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. White, you're all set. We'll see you back on February 14th for your trial date, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
All right, thank you. You know what time? You know what time?
Oh, yeah, 9 a.m. I'm so sorry, 9 a.m., okay?
Oh, that's all right. You only human. We all forget. That's okay.
All right, 9 a.m.,
Yep.
okay? All right.
All right.
Sierra Yarrell? I don't know which one is Mr. Moten, so I'll unmute both of them. Mr. Moten?
Yes.
You hear me?
Yes.
All right, turn on the camera. I don't know which one is you. All right. Why you got so many cameras? Which one is you?
I only had one camera.
Uh-oh. So one of you is in Stephen Moulton. One with the Nike sweatshirt on, what's your name?
Demario Walton.
Mario Walton.
Oh, that's the one that.
No, we gotta do this. You've been on here all day, man. Mr. Walton, you're gonna have to hold tight, just hold tight. Did you talk to Mr. Buffman
I got.
already? You gotta go to work at
I
noon?
was waiting. Yeah, and I've been waiting since 9:30.
He's got compliance documents, Judge.
We do?
We ready? Yes, he does.
Okay. He got more than cases, so he got cases on my docket for like 3 days, so now you gotta go pull all your cases, Mr. Warden. When you don't come to court, they just pile up, and then you get on my days like this. You see how I have all these people? They miss, you ain't miss, you came on Friday, but we just got a little caught off. Now calling the matter of people versus Demario Walton. This is ticket P13133301, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1315962, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Demario Walton.
Judge, the defendant presents today with valid driver's license, registration, and insurance. I am attesting to their validity and currency as an officer of the court. I have reviewed those documents and have sent photocopies of the same to Corporation Counsel. And I know their policy is dismissed for compliance. I stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So at this time, being an officer of the court, having seen those documents, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, you're all set. Make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, or else you'll be in my courtroom again. And you see how long I have, okay?
Yeah. Can I ask you a question though?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Together, because y'all sent me another ticket out and they supposed to be all current. I'm supposed to be all doing them for today because remember you said all for the morning for my afternoons. So I got another one you sent me for SP131333011 case number for
You didn't
tomorrow.
pay attention when I called that case, Mr. Warden?
Oh no, I ain't paying attention. I'm sorry.
I called all of your cases. They have all been called. You are all set, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
All right, thank you. Mr. Moulton?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
calling the, you guys got one. All right, there we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Stephen Maurice Moulton. This is ticket 417747. One count uninsured motor vehicle. Oh, that's closed. Never mind. Not that ticket. Ticket number P1242261. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
Stephen Moulton.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant presents today with valid documentation, specifically a certificate of no fault insurance from the Cure Auto Insurance Agency from which is effective July 11th, 2022 and doesn't expire until January 11th of 2023. Those are in his name for 3 separate vehicles, as well as registration for a 2014 Chevrolet 4-door, which expires on September 28th, 2023. We'd ask the court to dismiss the instant case for compliance and would stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documents, the court is going to grant your request, dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I have a question too. Because when I missed my court date, I went down to the courts and they gave me a court date for tomorrow. And then I got this postcard in the mail for a court date today.
I don't have to worry about the court date tomorrow now, right? It's for the same tickets.
It's for the same tickets. Don't worry about tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, you're welcome. Zil Cofer? Chantel,
Yes.
Zil Cofer? All right.
Yes.
Go ahead, turn your camera on.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
I said start your video for me, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jantel Zelkofer. This is ticket P13066624. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Jantel Zollicoffer.
Thank you. The last time we spoke, Your Honor, the defendant was going to send me some copies of her registration and insurance. Ma'am, were you able to send those documents to me?
Yes.
I have not received them.
Okay.
You,
I didn't. I
did you
have
get
them.
Can I give you my cell phone number? You send those to me right now? It'll take 30 seconds.
Yes. Yes.
313.
Hold on 1 second. Said 313.
948
Mm-hmm.
2683.
2683. Okay.
You can send those documents right now, please.
Yep, I'm sending over the title right now. Over the other.
All right, I'm gonna come back to your matter in a moment, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Patrick Washington. All right, everyone,
Hi,
don't
yes.
speak unless I call your name, okay?
Okay.
All right, Patrick Washington.
Yes, this is me.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Patrick Lamar Washington. This is ticket SE 017422. 1 count drove while license suspended. Count 2, driver seatbelt. No, that driver seatbelt is not. That ticket is closed. My apologies. Ticket number 518370. 1 count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number P878449. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, fraudulent false insurance information. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Hey, please support Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Patrick Washington.
Yes.
I need you to state your name and pay attention. So if you're driving or whatever you're doing with the noise in the background, you need to focus just for 5 minutes so we can get through this hearing, okay?
Okay.
All right, state your name.
Patrick Washington.
All right, how are we proceeding, counsel?
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is here for the purpose of arraignment. He's asking that a not guilty plea be entered on his behalf, and we're asking that the matter be set for a pretrial. Please and thank you.
This time, the court's going to enter in a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I am going to set this for a pretrial date on the date of February 3rd. February 3rd, 2023. That's going to be at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Did you get Ms. Zolikoff's stuff yet?
Yeah, I did get the insurance and the, yes, Your Honor, I have it.
Okay, all right. Recall in the matter of the people versus Jantel Zolikoff. This is ticket P 1306624. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good afternoon, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Ma'am, your name?
Jantel Zollifer.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant has sent to my attention several documents. One of them is a Michigan registration, which expires on January 1st, 2023. That is to a 2009 Jeep station wagon, which I believe is a vehicle in question. Also, there is a progressive insurance certificate indicating for the same Jeep 2009 Jeep Commander that the defendant has current invalid insurance. I'm attesting to that as an officer of the court, asking the court dismiss here without prejudice, and I would stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, counsel. Being an officer of the court, having seen the valid documentation, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date. January 1st is gonna be here in no time, so make sure you re-register your car. It has to be registered every single year, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Jeffrey Wilson, press *6 on your phone, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jeffrey Wilson. This is ticket P 1357181. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Good afternoon. Harry Boffin for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Jeffrey Wilson.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant would like to plead guilty to the seatbelt.
All right. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis. On the date of May 27th, 2022, in the area of Chicago and Freeland in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wilson was driving a Ford vehicle and failed to use his seatbelt effectively. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
Absolutely, yes. So stipulated. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the seatbelt count. I'm going to dismiss count 1 of this ticket. Mr. Wilson, the fine for this is $65. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be getting my check on the 1st.
All right. So I'll make it due December the 5th, okay? 2022.
Yep.
All right,
You said
$65. You're all set, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Wilson.
You do the same, miss. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for figuring it out too, Mr. Wilson. I know you had some trouble, but thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate your patience. Yes, ma'am.
All right. No problem. All right. Last but not least,
Goodbye.
Sierra Urel.
Yes.
Start your video. All right, you gotta sit up. I gotta sit up for court. You gotta sit up for court too.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. You gotta sit up and stay seated, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Sierra Renee Urel. This is ticket U47150818. One count. Enter a streetcar without payment. Ticket P 1088071. This is one count. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number P 1088036. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, supply false information and or ID to police officer. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1088036. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, Never mind, that's the same ticket. One second. Ticket number SP 10. Oh, no. Never mind, those were the 3 tickets. Thank you so much. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Sierra Urel.
Thank you, Judge. We're asking that the court record for today's purposes a not guilty plea, and we're asking for a waiver trial by way of Zoom, please, and thank you.
If that's correct, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Payton, not Ms. Payton. Mr. Rail, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone correct, and it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna set this for the date of February 14th, 2023. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in that day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, okay? What day you coming back to see me? I got to check with you.
February 14th, that's Valentine's Day.
It is, so you better remember it, Miss,
I am
okay.
gonna remember it.
Okay, I see a lot of warrants on here that you had previously. I'm gonna set aside any warrants that may be out here on your behalf, okay?
Okay. It's a
Come
lot.
back and handle your matters, okay?
It's a lot of warrants.
No, I just said it was just for these tickets.
I got a
Let's
lot
see.
of tickets. I got 25 tickets.
Hold on, these not all your tickets?
No. No. I looked on the website and it say I got
Hold on, do
25
you have
tickets.
tickets that are in default? Because these might be your misdemeanor tickets. If you have tickets that are in default, you out of luck on those.
What
I
that
only have
mean?
felonies. That means that you didn't show up to your court date. And so when you don't show up to your court date for civil infractions, they automatically put in a judgment against you.
I don't even know.
I know, I'm telling you right now. So what that means is that all those tickets that you have, of those, we only have 6 that are misdemeanors. The rest of them are tickets that you just didn't pay. They could be like a seatbelt infraction. They could be like running a red light, speeding tickets. Those go into what's called default, meaning that they just, since you ain't show up to court, you just have to pay for those tickets. So you just gotta
Okay.
start paying for those tickets. But these misdemeanors, you have to come to court in order for them to be handled. So you're doing the right thing. We're gonna handle these, and then we're gonna figure out what to do with the rest of it. You might have to come down and do what's called a payment plan, and that way you don't have to pay it all at once. You pay it in stages, okay?
Okay, that's cool.
Okay? All right,
Okay.
you come and see me on Valentine's Day for these 6 tickets though, right?
Yeah. Bright and
Okay.
early.
All right, thank 9 a.m., okay?
All right.
All right, I'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.